Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are going to do an activity on the lesson Manu and his family. And what are we going to do in the activity? We are going to make our house, that is your home. And inside the home, who all lives? Mama, Papa, Didi, Bhaiya, and all, right? So we are going to make our home, and inside that, all members will be there, all the family members inside your home. So let's start. So put the date. On the red line, you will write chapter's name, Manu, and his family. And in the bracket, you will write activity. Okay. For the activity, we need a origami paper or any other paper you have and crayons. Written, children? So this is my origami paper. You have to fold it in a half like this. Okay. Done. And then fold it in the middle. Once again. I will show you again. 2 folds we have done. 1 and then 2. Okay. And then you have to open the second fold. I repeat, you have to fold your paper into half from the middle and then once again from the middle like this. Okay. And then open the second fold. Done this much? Then you have to take this corner and bring it to this line. That folded line you can see now. Fold it like this. Same thing you have to do on the other side. Bring it to the middle. These both corners should match each other and then press it on both the sides. Okay. And then open this fold once again. Now you can see 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Right? Now open from one side like this. Keep your hand in the first line. Open it like this. And press it in such a way that it will look like a hut. Okay. Same thing you have to do on the other side. Open from here. Okay. Don't fold it. Open it. Push it from both the sides. This line should match. This line should match the below line. Okay. A straight line should be there. See, straight line is there. And then when you get a straight line, press it. Okay. Is it looking like a house? Yes. Okay, I will show you once again. Okay, this was our origami paper. Fold it into half. Then fold it again from the middle. Press it. open it. Then you have to match both the corners to the middle line. You can see one line, that folded line, you will get a line here. Then match it. Then you will get a square like this. Okay. Then again you have to open this. Now you will get 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now from here you have to take single page and open it and then match this line to this line. Okay. And then press it. In a similar way, do it on the other side. Take one single page, match this corner with this corner and then match this line with this line and then press it. Okay. So here we got a shape of a house. Okay, I'm repeating this step again. You have got 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines. Then take the page from this side, the corner side, okay, and one single page and then match it with this line. Match this corner to this line, okay, and then in this way you have to match this line to this line. Okay, then it will look like a hut. The same thing you have to repeat on the other side. Take the single page and match the corner to the bottom line, bottom point of the middle line. This middle line we have got now, this line. You have to match it. Okay. And then match this line to the below line and then press it. Both the sides. Then you will get the shape of a hut or a home. Okay. Got it? Then what you have to do? Take a crayon. I don't have crayon, so I am using sketch pen. But you have to use crayon, okay? And then make a door. Half this side and half this side. This is your door. Okay? And then color it completely with the same color. Take some dark color and color it. You are making the door of your home. Color it completely. Any dark color you can take and color it. Okay. And now on this side you are going to make a window. Like this. Okay. In a similar manner, make a window this side. Put a cross in between, it will look like a window. Okay. First you have to make a door. Color it completely. And then make the window on both the sides. Okay. After that, Take some other color. Color is of your choice, okay? Any color you can take, whichever color you like. You can take different colors for window and door also. Then this part, this upper part now, you have to draw like this. The same thing we used to draw when we draw a fish, right? The scales of fish, you remember? Draw like this. Any color you can take of your choice. Okay? On both the sides. Waves you can say. Either big or small, you have to fill it completely on both the sides. Okay, this upper part of your house. Okay, now it's looking good now. It's looking like a house. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to open the door. This is the door now. Open the door to come inside. Now this is your inside part of the house. Now what you have to do here? You have to make a cloud. Make a cloud like this, and inside you will write your name. I am going to write my name. You will write your name. Okay? And then with different colors, you are going to make hearts. Okay? 4 or 5 hearts you will make. Done? In the below cloud you have to write your name. You made your hearts. Now inside the heart you are going to write your family members. Okay, you can write the name, but better than name, we don't call them generally by the name, right? And these are your family members. Okay, the hearts you have made is your family members. So what do you call them? You will write that. For example, Mummy, M-U-M-M-Y, Mummy. Whatever you call, Mummy, Mom, Mama, Ma, I, whatever you call, na, you will write that same thing. Okay, I have written Mummy. Then Papa. Okay. Your sister name. My sister name is Manisha. You will write your sister name. Okay, I am making my family. You are going to make your family. Okay. Our chapter is Manu and his family, but we are not going to make Manu's family. We are interested in our family. So we are making our family here. Okay. Then my brother's name is Ashish. You will write your brother name. Okay. And my Dadima also stays with me. Dadima. I call her as Dadima. What you call her, you will write that. You are going to write the calling names. If you call your sister Didi, then you can write Didi here. Okay, I call them by the name. So I have written my sister name Manisha and my brother's name Ashish. If you call them as Dada, then you can write Dada there. Okay, whatever you call them. And if you have a pet, you can make one more heart and write the pet name as well. Okay, and not my family is complete. See, this is my house. When I open the door, I get all my family members inside my home, and I am also there. Okay, why we have made these hearts? Because all the family member have a place in our heart. हमें वो बहुत प्यारे होते हैं ना. So we have made the hearts and written their names. What we call them, we have written there. That same thing we have written. Okay. And now what you have to do? Put some glue on the back side and stick it in your notebook. And on the top, or rather on the below side, on the bottom, we will write my family. And also we are going to make a big heart here because we love our family very much. Okay, so hereby we complete our today's activity, that is my family. Okay, I hope you must have enjoyed, children. Thank you so much.